On my last video, I was able to explain to you the reason why you should always rename your video file before posting it to YouTube. So today, I'm going to show you how to edit your video file with your phone. You don't need any app. You can do it with your Android phone, iPhone, laptops or desktops. It works in all of them. For this strategy, it works great for the beginners, the new YouTubers. And also, it works for YouTube short creators. But first, I feel like to ask you this question. I know some of you will be like, who does this help? Do you even want your YouTube videos to rank better in the search engine? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So watch it till the end, don't skip it, okay? Renaming of file is a small SEO trick that helps YouTube to understand what your video is about. So if you want this to work for you, you need to change your strategy. That being said, let me show you how to rename your video file step by step. Let's go. So we are going to start from known to unknown. You open your phone, look for your file manager. In some phone, it's written as file or my file. Just click on it. Then go to your video folder. Click on it. When you find the video that you want to post to YouTube, press and hold the video until you see more, just like this one. In some phone, once you press and hold the video, the option menu will pop up. But for this one, you have to click on the more before you see the options menu. So let's click on the more below. Then select rename. On the edit panel, you should clean only the numbers. Please don't touch point and MP4. To delete the numbers, let's tap on this X icon below. It depends on how the delete icon is in your own phone, just tap on it. The next thing is to type in your keywords or your video title. For example, how to edit your video file with your phone. Or how to edit with your phone. Anyone. All you need to type here is just your SEO keywords or your video title. And when you are done, just click on the rename or done below to save your changes. After here, we shall be going to the YouTube Desktop Studio to see if these changes is effective. So to go to YouTube Desktop Studio, you need to open the Chrome browser in your phone or any browser that you are using. Then type youtube.com desktop. It has already appeared because I do go to studio often. On this page, press and hold home until you see options menu. Select the first option, open a new tab. Then click on the tiny box top right. Look below, click on the empty box. Then on the next page, look up at the top right. You're going to see your profile image or your photo. Just click on it. From the drop-down menu, click on the Creator Studio. It will take you straight to the studio. Remember, we have YouTube Studio app. This one is YouTube Studio Desktop. So if you have not installed the Studio app, you should go and do that, okay? That will help you to be checking how your videos are performing instead of coming here all the time, okay? So let us do as if we want to post the video to see if our changes is effective. We are going to click on the create top right, then select upload video. Next, click on select file, then my file. Click on videos. We're going to select the video we just edited. It's uploading. It's done. Now let's check the file name and the video title. Can you see that? The file name is in line with the video title. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's it. Now that I know how to rename your video file, whenever you upload your video to YouTube, YouTube will instantly recognize your topic. So next time, don't upload your video with the file called vid1234.mp4. Don't. It doesn't look professional. Rename it first with your video SEO title, okay? Before, this was how my video files usually look like. But now, this is how it looks like. Now, between these two, which one looks more professional? Let me know in the comment section. Follow for more quick YouTube SEO tips that actually work.